Stop. Before you even think about buying the current MacBook Pro, you need to hear this. Apple just pulled an absolute shocker, and they buried the real headline of the upcoming M5 MacBook Pro. It's not the processor speed, it's not the new screen, and it's not the battery life. Those are all incredible, but the secret weapon Apple is holding is going to fundamentally change how you use your Mac forever, and if you buy the M4 or M3 right now, you are going to regret it within 6 months. This isn't just an upgrade, it's an early look at what the next decade of professional computing will feel like. Stick with me, because we're diving deep into the one feature that makes the M5 MacBook Pro the only professional laptop worth buying in 2026. This is Tap Tech. The narrative around Apple Silicon has always been about generational leaps. We saw it with the M1, the M2 delivered efficiency, and the M3 brought in the first hardware-accelerated ray tracing. But the M5 chip, and specifically the one destined for the new MacBook Pro, is being built for a single, defining purpose: AppleIntelligence. This is the hidden gem that keeps people watching. We're not talking about a modest 10% CPU bump, which, by the way, is still coming. We're talking about an almost unbelievable performance increase in the one area that truly future-proofs a machine: on-device artificial intelligence. The M5's neural engine is getting a staggering, authentic 2.7 to 3.5 times increase in performance compared to the M4. Let me put that into perspective. For video editors in Final Cut Pro, this means real-time, on-device object removal, lightning-fast smart rendering, and complex effects that used to take minutes, now take seconds. For developers, it means instantaneously compiling code blocks with AI assistance. For designers, it means seamless, low-latency generative design features inside apps like Photoshop and Blender. This isn't just faster, it's a completely new workflow capability. Apple is betting that the most intensive and important professional computing of the near future will happen locally, not in the cloud, and the M5 is the chip built to win that bet. Now, let's talk about the specs you expected to hear about. The Core M5, M5 Pro, and M5 Max chips will be built on TSMC's refined 3nm process. This efficiency refinement translates directly to power savings. The CPU will be around 10 to 15% faster, with improved multi-threaded performance. The GPU is getting a solid 30 to 40% boost. These are the expected yearly bumps, and they are excellent. The graphics bump, combined with the power of the neural engine, will make the MacBook Pro an even more formidable machine for gaming and 3D work than it already is, with sustained, low-heat performance that Windows laptops are still chasing. The thermal architecture is key. Rumors suggest Apple has refined the cooling system once again for this M5 generation, ensuring that these chips can sustain peak performance longer than ever before. This is the difference between a burst of speed and true, all-day professional power. And speaking of all-day power, the battery life is the other headline that's not getting enough attention. Because the new M5 chip is so much more efficient, especially with its performance and efficiency core management, Apple is targeting an unbelievable 24-hour video playback battery life on the base 14-inch model. Think about that, a true, 2-day work laptop for most professionals. Imagine flying from New York to London and doing intensive work the entire time without needing to scramble for an outlet. Now for the truth about the display and design. If you were holding out for an OLED MacBook Pro with a thinner chassis and a touchscreen, you'll have to wait. The authentic reports suggest the M5 Pro and M5 Max refresh will retain the current, critically acclaimed 2021 chassis. This means you keep the incredible Liquid Retina XDR mini LED display, which is still the best in the business for HDR and color accuracy. It means the same industry-leading ports, 3 Thunderbolt 4s, HDMI 2.1, and the SDXC card slot. Yes, this also means no Thunderbolt 5 and no Wi-Fi 7, a minor disappointment for the tech purists, but not a deal-breaker for the vast majority of pros. The real design refresh, the thinner, lighter chassis with a potential OLED panel, is being held back, likely for the M6 generation in late 2026, or a super premium M5 variant that will come at a significantly higher price. So, this M5 MacBook Pro refresh is a masterclass in focusing on what truly matters: massive, foundational performance leaps in AI, combined with the battery efficiency and thermal excellence that Apple has perfected. It's the silent killer of the high-end laptop market, built not for today's tasks, but for the workflows of tomorrow. Look, the price of the M5 MacBook Pro is rumored to start exactly where the M4 model was, around the $2,000 mark. This means you are getting a generational leap in performance and a future-proofing AI chip for the same price. Don't waste your money on a last-gen machine just because the exterior looks the same. The power is on the inside, and it will give you a dramatic competitive edge. The M5 is the first true AI-era Mac, and the pros who get it first will be the ones creating the fastest. We want to know, are you upgrading from an M1, an M3, or an Intel Mac? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want the first hands-on review the moment this machine drops, make sure you tap that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into what Apple is doing next. Thanks for watching. This has been Tap Tech, and we'll catch you in the next one.